Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a bit of a haul. Darren and I went to Columbia, a town near us, Friday, which you probably won't see this for a while, but we stopped at an antique store, and I have this pattern, but for $1. I'm not leaving it. I can share with someone else or whatever. This one I did not have. They're all for 18-inch dolls. And look, this one has these little sandals. I've been making more shoes. I have made some boots, but not lace-up. So I'll be attempting this and this at some point. And it also has these little mittens, backpack and purse. I can do those. But the little mittens would be cute, especially for my not Felicia, Kirsten. I made her some, but they're just as they are in her black and white little sweater. So I got these, and then they had this doll. Couldn't leave her. Well, actually, I did leave her. I made an offer, and they called the seller. So we stopped back by. I bought her for $45. I asked Tina from Tina's Reborns and More if she knew who she was. I said, I'm sure it's a Truly Me. She said, yes, number 60. I looked at the 60s. I'm not so sure her hair isn't shorter than theirs, but I'm betting she's a Truly Me number 60. Put it in the comments who you think she is. She has a bit of fingernail polish that's going to have to come off. Her head is a little loose. Her legs are a little loose, but overall, just a good cleaning and disinfecting, tighten her a little bit, and she is good to go. She has on original American Girl doll sweater and pants, so that was fun. And then we went to Hobby Lobby. That's where we went next. I needed some white bias tape. I want to use this on a collar for Kirsten, my AG doll. So I just got the smaller too, because I thought I'd put that on the cuffs of that dress. I bought, oh, these are from Walmart. I needed, can you believe I'm running out of threads? And because thread is so expensive, I don't just throw them in my cart anymore. But I needed a light blue, bought that, and some, I know I have a bunch of Velcro in my stash, can't find it anywhere. And then I bought this beautiful, I'm going to get ready and cut it in a little bit. It is so soft, fake fur for a collab coming up. And the person I'm doing that with will know what that's for. I'm going to try it. We'll see. I have not sewn fake fur in a very long time. Then we went to Michael's and I found some fabrics there. This isn't the best, but it is small print, and it was $3.99, and I always joke that, you know, that's cheaper than toilet paper, which anymore it about is. I really like this. This is a, I don't know if you can see it. It's an off-white, red, and green plaid, and it's very small. Let's see, let's put her hand next to it so you can see how small that is. You could use that for Barbie or Blythe or AG dolls. You could use that for anybody. So I got extra so I can share that with some people. And then I got this. I love this. I've not seen it in black and white. I love the Jack Skelton prints. And this is in black and white, and I plan, you can see it just goes every direction. I plan on making a dress for my Netflix Wednesday Blythe out of this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this for the bodice. And then the skirt, you know, we'll see which way we want to turn, however that comes out. I got extra of that because I know there's a couple people that would like to have a fat quarter off that. Then we went to Walmart, and along with everything else we bought, they had this girl who I had been looking at for $10. This stuff I care nothing about. I wish they bring them back to at least give us a stand, but I know a guy, so it's not a problem. She is absolutely the cutest little thing with that hair. Just love it. And her skirt is pleather. It is not that plastic crap that they have on some of them. The Amaya has that. And then I really like that zipper at the bottom. It's just cute. But look at that belt. I mean, that is detail. Oh, you can't hardly see it for the, there we go. Very cute, $10. I thought it was a good deal. Probably should have bought two. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.